In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal invoice for services step by step. First, go to the PayPal website and log into your account. After logging in, go to the main dashboard. Now find the Send and Request option. Click this option. Now select Create Invoice. Enter the client's email address. Now add the description of the service provided. Enter the price for the service. If needed, add quantity or additional details. You can also include payment terms or notes. After filling in the information, review the invoice. Now click Send to send the invoice to the client. The client will receive the invoice by email and can complete the payment online. Creating a PayPal invoice helps you receive service payments in a professional and secure way.